Development can benefit both organizations and employees. Let's take a look. Development involves efforts to improve employees' abilities to handle a variety of assignments and to cultivate their capabilities beyond those required by the current job. Development differs from training. It is possible to train people to answer customer service questions, drive a truck, enter data in a computer system, set up a drill press, or assemble a television. However, development in such areas as judgment, responsibility, decision-making, and communication presents a bigger challenge. These areas may or may not develop through individuals' ordinary life experiences. There's a close link between learning and development. For most people, lifelong learning and development are necessary and desirable. For many professionals, lifelong learning may mean meeting continuing education requirements to retain certifications. Assistance needed from employers for lifelong development typically comes through programs at work, including tuition reimbursement programs and the like. Whether due to a desire for a career change or because the employer needs different capabilities, people reinvent their careers in middle or mid-career. These job shifters need to develop capabilities in a new field that holds promise for a productive future. Commonly referred to as second acts, employees who make major changes from one career field to another often need some assistance from an employer to close the gap in their skills. Like employee training, employee development begins with an analysis of the needs of both the organization and the individuals within that organization. The goal, of course, is to identify strengths and weaknesses to determine the focus of development. Methods that organizations use to assess development needs include assessment centers, psychological testing, and performance appraisals. Determining the best approach to individual development depends in part on the individual's level of development. Collections of test instruments and exercises designed to diagnose an individual's development needs are referred to as assessment centers. Organizations can use assessment centers for both developing and selecting managers. Employers use assessment centers for a wide variety of jobs. Assessment centers provide an excellent means for determining individual potential in an unbiased manner. Psychological tests have been used for years to determine employees' developmental potential and needs. Intelligence tests, verbal and mathematical reasoning tests, and personality tests are often given. Psychological testing can provide useful information about individuals, motivation, reasoning ability, leadership style, interpersonal response trait, and job preferences. Well-done performance appraisals can be a great source of development information. Performance data on productivity, employee relations, job knowledge, and other relevant dimensions can be gathered in such assessments. In this context, appraisals designed for the development purposes may be different or more useful in aiding individual employee development than appraisals designed strictly for administrative purposes. Development of human resources is all about finding the right strategy to help better your people.